Hi folks, Jason Clemons here from Clemons Boats in Sandusky, Ohio. This is our 2009 Trohpy 1952 walk-around. So one owner boat was bought here new, and it was bought in 2010, so it was only run for 2 years, not 3. Sitting on a Caravan single axle galvanized trailer. Impeccable shape. Boat's like new, blue hull, great shape. Does have a spare tire with mount. Port side as well, great shape. This is a Trohpy Pro. Does have load guides on the trailer. Tires in good shape. This is powered by a 3-liter 135 horsepower Mercruiser. It's about a 35-36 mile-an-hour top end boat. 40 on a good day, cruise about 25, very economical. Let's climb aboard and take a look inside. This particular boat has a cooler mounted on the back. And the flip up aft seat. Flips up to give you a fishing boat, but you also get a nice seating area on the boat. Rod holders, raw water wash down. Rod holders you get on this side. As I had said, a 3-liter Mercruiser 135. Turnkey start. As you can see, very clean. Boat's been professionally maintained and stored here every year inside. Big storage compartments in each side, also access to get to some of your electrical equipment if I get out of here. Batteries, battery switch. Half facing seats, which are nice. It's good if you like to troll. Bait well on this side. Just storage on this side. Captain's chair, of course, in good shape. Same with the port seat. This has a Lowrance 522C color GPS fish finder on it. Jensen stereo remote. Stereo's down in the cabin. Also has a North Star VHF radio. And here's the cabin. It's got the full filler cushion in here right now. Does have a porta potty with it. All again in very good shape. Nice high windshield, does have a bimini top. If you have any questions on this boat, you can give us a call at 419-684-5365. You can also catch us at clemonsboats.com, and don't forget to like us on Facebook. Thanks.